Your startup needs stunning visuals for your latest blog post or your website's landing page, like yesterday, but you don't have much of a design budget. What can you do? Well, stock photos are generic and they can be expensive. Custom graphics take forever, and editing product photos can be a pain, requiring specialized tools. You need unique, high-quality images, and you need them now. With Gemini and Imagen and AI Studio, you can be the artistic director for your project. First, let's generate an image. This will be perfect for our website. Let's say I have a coffee roasting company and I want to generate a hero image for my website. I can use Gemini to generate a prompt, feed that prompt to Imagen, and get a beautiful example out. Next, editing. Just via natural language using Gemini 2.0 Flash image generation, I can ask for changes to be made to the image. For example, to make it vertical for placement on a phone ad, or to change the background content. I can also ask for text copy to be generated to accompany the image, or add specific words to the image. So now let's use image understanding. I'll upload a picture of a product. Now I'll ask Gemini, write 5 social media captions for this product, and include information about our branding strategy. And once you're done experimenting, just click the Get SDK Code button to see how you might implement what you just did in AI Studio in your own project. Gemini and AI Studio is your on-demand creative tool. Generate unlimited royalty-free images for your blog, website, or for social media. Create ad variants in seconds. Automate your e-commerce workflow by generating product descriptions from photos. So stop searching and start creating. Go try the image models in AI Studio. The link is below, and you know what to do. Subscribe below as well.